Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Aztec. They're looking for a paid media specialist. He pays from $51,000 per year. Aztec is one of Cleveland's top digital agencies focused on web design, development, and digital marketing. Our growing agency is highly focused on culture, innovation, and the success of our clients. We're currently seeking a paid media specialist to join our team. The paid media specialist will strategize, launch, and optimize Aztec clients' paid media campaigns, including search, display, social, and video. The paid media specialist will be responsible for creating advertising campaigns, including setup, optimization, tracking, and reporting for Aztec clients. This position will primarily focus on Google search ads, social ad platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn, and program advertising. We're looking for an experienced individual who has managed a minimum of monthly ad spend of $20,000. The paid media specialist will be part of the paid media team and report to the growth marketing manager. The position also strategizes and works closely with digital marketing strategies who manage overall client strategies, content writers for ad and landing page copy, SEO specialists for new keyword opportunities, and marketing optimization specialists for email campaign opportunities. Ideal candidates for the position are very comfortable and knowledgeable in Google Ads campaign types, have paid social experience, and have some experience or knowledge of campaign tracking through tools like Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. In addition, an ideal candidate will need the ability to complete in-depth research, possess excellent writing skills, and have the talent to clearly translate and communicate research findings and campaign performance with clients. Here are some of the specifics. Keyword research for paid search campaigns. Implementation for ad campaigns through Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and other prominent digital advertising networks. Day-to-day management of paid digital campaigns, including keyword optimization, budget management, ad copy, and creative optimization. Regular communication and interaction with clients to understand goals and communicative results and performance. Collaborative with copywriters to align ad and landing page copy with client's voice and tone, as well as identify A/B testing opportunities for messaging. Monthly reporting of campaign performance. Analyze reports to provide data-driven recommendation and strategies for each campaign on a monthly and quarterly basis. Actively collaborate with other digital marketing teams within Aztec to align with other ongoing initiatives. Ensure implementation of best practices, guidelines, and follow company processes. 3 to 5 years with Google Ads search required. Display, video, shopping, and performance max or discovery campaign experience is a plus. 1 to 3 years of Facebook ads and LinkedIn ads are required. Other social advertising platforms like Pinterest, Twitter, Snapchat, or TikTok is a plus. Strongly prefer prior experience in an agency setting or freelance successfully managing multiple client campaigns, reporting, and communication with stakeholders. Proven research skills with an ability to understand a wide variety of industries and business types. Working with knowledge of SEO strategy and ability to analyze analytics data. Strong writing skills are a plus. E-commerce and media buying experience through platforms like the Trade Desk, Choosel, or StackAdapt is a plus. High attention to detail to produce thorough and accurate work. An appreciation for learning new techniques and industry best practices. An ability to communicate professionally on clients' calls and via email. Must be a team player who is also comfortable in working independently and assisting with projects as needed. Must be driven, forward-thinking, and highly motivated individual with the ability to purpose creative digital advertising solutions. Experience or interest in the senior living industry is a plus. We're also looking for individuals that align with our values, help others, take ownership, be trusted advisor, get stuff done, and be honest. Some of the benefits include medical, dental, vision, and 401k with company match, unlimited vacation and flexible work schedules, fully remote work, profit sharing, wellness hours during the week to focus on health and wellness outside of work, go home early on Fridays and get a jump start on your weekend, budget for training and career development opportunities, internal education sessions and bi-weekly innovation days, and casual dress comfortably. This job is full-time. It pays $51,000 per year. The schedule is Monday through Friday. And some of the experience that is required and preferred is Google Ads, 3 years required, Facebook advertising, 1 year required, Google Analytics, 1 year preferred, media buying, 1 year preferred, LinkedIn advertising, 1 year preferred, and language English required. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this particular channel. All you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.